Hey everybody, this is Joe from Volton Electric Bikes. We're here with an unboxing and assembly walkthrough of our Alation 500 electric bicycle. This walkthrough will be a general assembly instruction guide for the rest of our bicycles. So let's take a look at what's inside and get you guys rolling. To get everything unboxed, you're going to want to take a look at your front wheel and axle assembly. Something a little bit different we have, because we sell the Alation with a front fender, full fender set, we have lower mounting hangers. Those stainless steel stamped tabs need to be set up correctly. We'll take a closer look at that later in this video, but you're going to take your axle skewer, quick release skewer. One of those tabs should be pre-installed while you're setting this up. With the bolt head facing out, you're going to install the quick release axle through the hub, and you're going to line up the front wheel for install. The trick here is basically lining up the rotor with the caliper and getting the axle into the dropouts. Easiest way to do it, hanging the tab, and then finger tightening the nut. Now when you get to a certain spot, again we'll take a little close up here shortly, you want to make sure these tabs are correctly lined up with the flanges outside of the dropout pass-through, which they are right here. You want to hand tighten the quick release skewer, and you're ready to throw up the kickstand and continue on with the rest of the installation. I'm going to be using 4mm Allen key to remove these 4 stem clamp bolts. Once your bars are centered, use your 4mm tool to add equal tension to the 4 bolts on the stem clamp. We're going to be installing the front headlamp and your front SKS fender in this case. Fender goes to the back of the light. With a 5mm tool, moving this bolt. Bolt. I'm trying to point out that the flange is perfectly press fit and passing through the dropout opening. You do not want it over the upper edge or the lower edge. Take your skewer and fasten. Stamp twice. R, R. This is your right pedal. Right threaded. Okay. Adjustable wrench. So your left side is left hand threaded, so you tighten counterclockwise. This is so the pedal doesn't become loose while you're pedaling forward. Again, take your adjustable wrench and tighten. Axle is held on by two 18mm bolts on both sides. These need to be properly torqued to about 32 pounds. That is quite tight. They have axle and bolt covers on there to keep things clean. This is your motor harness wire. We need to make sure that doesn't get ground down or cut by anything, but this is an area you want to take a look at before every ride to make sure your motor and rear wheel assembly is properly fastened.
Come back in. Let's see what it looks like on the way in. Nice, 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 nice. Okay.